Circle to Search is one of the most convenient AI-powered features available on the Samsung Galaxy S25 and Galaxy S25 Ultra. It lets you instantly search for information about anything displayed on your screen without taking screenshots or switching between apps. Whether you're looking up a product, translating text, identifying landmarks, or learning more about an image, Circle to Search makes the process fast and effortless. To enable or disable this feature, start by opening the Settings app on your Galaxy S25 or S25 Ultra. Scroll down and tap Display, then select Navigation bar. At the bottom of the page, you'll find the Circle to Search option. Simply toggle the switch on to enable the feature or off to disable it. When the switch is blue, Circle to Search is active. If it is gray, the feature has been turned off. Once Circle to Search is enabled, you can use it from virtually any screen on your phone. If you're using swipe gestures, press and hold the navigation handle located at the bottom center of the display until Circle to Search appears. If you prefer button navigation, simply press and hold the home button to activate the feature. On the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, you can also use the S Pen by pressing and holding its button while circling, tapping, or highlighting an item on the screen for an instant search. This feature is especially useful when browsing the web, shopping online, watching videos, or viewing social media posts, as it allows you to search without interrupting what you're doing. If you ever find yourself accidentally triggering Circle to Search or simply don't use it often, you can easily disable it using the same settings menu. Thanks for following along. You now know how to enable or disable Circle to Search and can change the setting anytime with just a few taps.